been a little while since I made a video. Been doing a lot of stuff. One of the things I wanted to show y'all was an upgrade I did on my truck. So what I did was, my truck is a 2017 Nissan Frontier 4-wheel drive crew cab. Love this little truck. So I've been doing some upgrades on it. I've had it for 2 years. What I did was, my truck did not come with the fog lights in it. It's kind of dark, so I know you can't really see that. So I went on Rough Country's website, and they had a LED fog light kit for my truck, which is really simple. I mean, the wiring harness is really easy to use. The wire harness goes straight into the cab to both lights and over to the battery. So it's wired up real easy. The only thing that takes a little bit of time is the brackets that come with it. You have to bolt the light to the bracket and then set the light up into the hole to where it sits where it's supposed to be. And then mark your holes, and then drill and bolt the bracket to the metal part of the bumper frame. It's not too hard, pretty simple. I did mine with the tires on the truck. I just turned them, and for whatever side I was doing, I turned that tire out so I could get more room in there, because you do have to open up the inner fender well a little bit. So that was the only challenging part. Maybe 2 hours total putting it in, and I like them. They're bright. Give you a little demonstration here. Hang on. All right, now I can give you a proper demonstration. I think it looks pretty good. And Rough Country lights are pretty bright. So that was the Rough Country lights. I like them. They work pretty good. Some of the stuff I've been working on in my shop, I haven't made any videos. I guess I could make a video doing this stuff, but this is how I pay for like little extra stuff when I buy like fishing gear or for camping trips and stuff, is I make like little signs. Like this one right here is going to work to a guy. See if I can get that on there good. I made this one. It's all carved. I have a CNC machine that carves, so I can make them fairly quickly. It's the finish work that takes a little longer. But I made a couple of signs. I got a bunch in the house that I've taken off to get done. I made this one for my mom. That one there, somewhere up there. Made that one for her. That one right there is my basset hound that passed away. That's what he liked to do, is lay around, and that's what it says. It says Duke Dog, and this is all I'm doing today. And it's got a basset hound laying down. So that's pretty much it. I mean, I've been doing a lot of housework and remodeling the bathroom. Haven't really got to do a lot. I do have one other thing from Rough Country I have not put on the truck yet. Right here in these boxes, this is the 2.5-inch lift kit for my truck. So far I'm pretty happy with everything I got from Rough Country. The lights are bright, too bright to use when you're driving down the road. I have to keep them off unless there's nobody around. But they work great for going back in the woods on the back here to go fishing or camping. And I can't wait to get the lift kit on, but because I got to take the front end apart, I want to change out the front shocks to the Bilstein shocks. So I don't want to do it twice, so I'm going to go ahead and see about getting the shocks before I put that kit on, and just do it all at one time. And then I'll see about getting bigger tires. I think I'm going to go with 285s on that truck. Not sure yet, but we'll come across that bridge when we get to that one. But anyway, if you're looking for good lights for your vehicle, check out those Rough Country light kits if you got a Nissan Frontier, because it's not that hard to put on. Like I said, it takes about 2 hours because you got to open that fender well up, and you can take your tires off and make it easier. I just left mine on. Bolt the bracket, just got to drill 2 holes. That's it. It's not hard. But anyway, thanks for watching, and next time I'm home, hopefully I'll get out and do some camping or some fishing or maybe both. Get some more videos going because it's been kind of a slow 4 weeks now. The last month I haven't really made any videos. So anyway, take it easy.